Let's get to it. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Put that in a bowl. 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix up the flour and salt. Add 1 cup of lard. Cut that in with the flour and salt, pea sizes. In another bowl, 1 egg. Mix it. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And 2 tablespoons of cold water. Add the egg mixture to the flour and mix till everything comes together and forms in a ball. Put mixture onto saran wrap. Form it in the saran wrap into a disc. There, now roll out the dough now, or you could put it in the fridge and roll out the dough later. But I'm going to be rolling out the dough now, and then I'm going to be putting the pie plate in the fridge, and it'll sit in the fridge for later. Then put the pie dough onto a pie plate. Fix the edges up. Tuck any extra dough underneath. And then crimp your dough so it looks pretty. And there you have it. Perfect pie dough.